Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the most common questions asked about the Acer Swift 3. So I've been using this laptop for my day-to-day work like watching movies, YouTube streaming and especially for video editing. I have received so many comments on my previous video about this laptop, and many people asked me to make a detailed long-term review of this laptop. So in today's video I'm going to cover most common questions asked by the people and try to clear all the doubts you might have about this laptop. And if you're watching this video for the first time on my channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notification. I'm going to cover the specs in brief because I've already made a detailed video about it earlier. In case if you're interested, I'm going to put the link in the YouTube card and in the description below. So let's start with the specs. This 14-inch laptop comes with the Intel Core i5 8th generation processor with 8GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD and 2GB NVIDIA GeForce MX250 dedicated graphic card, and has clock speed of 1.6 GHz with turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz. You get an inbuilt mic next to the HD 720p webcam. You also get two USB 3.0 port and one USB Type-C which can be used for charging with a 65-watt Type-C charger. In addition to that, you get a HDMI port, SD card reader and Kensington lock. People have asked me so many questions on the previous video, and I'm going to talk about the 7 most common questions. So the first question is, do I feel strain in my eyes while using the laptop, and if I get shocked while charging the laptop because of its aluminum body? So to answer to that question is no, I never felt anything like that. Maybe that depends upon person to person. So far, I've never felt strain in my eyes, and some people are more sensitive, so they might feel it. I use this laptop every day for 3 to 4 hours, and luckily I didn't get a shock while charging the laptop as well. The second question is, can we upgrade RAM? So the answer is no. On this laptop or in this price range, I don't think you can get an upgradable RAM or extra slot for RAM. So if you're looking for a laptop where you can upgrade RAM, I would suggest you to spend little extra and buy a gaming laptop or some other high-end laptops from Asus or Acer. It doesn't matter which brand you're going for. If you're getting a value for money, you can go with the particular brand. The third question which people asked about is the heating issue and about the laptop display. So as you know, this laptop has an aluminum body, so it's normal that it will generate heat while multitasking or playing games or while editing video, but that is not a big deal because this laptop will give you a very great performance while doing multitasking. And about the screen, I really like the display of this laptop, especially for watching Netflix or YouTube content in 4K. But it has a refresh rate of 60Hz, which is decent at this price range. You may spend more for a gaming laptop wherein you can get a refresh rate of around 144 Hz as well. So the fourth question which was asked by many people is, do we get original charger and how about the Acer services? So let me tell you, you don't get an Acer charger with the laptop. They include a third-party charger. I don't know why, but so far I have found Acer services good, and actually I never faced any issue with this laptop or with the laptop which I was using earlier. And that also depends upon the place to place. You may get a good service from one store but not on the another store, and the other guy at the store may not treat you well. So it's completely subjective. So the fifth question, also people ask me if they can use this laptop for casual gaming and for video editing on Adobe Premiere Pro. So the answer is yes, you can use this laptop for casual gaming to play games like PUBG in medium to high settings thanks to the NVIDIA graphic card MX250. And for video editing, I suggest many people not to buy this laptop because if they want to edit 4K videos or want to use special effects on Premiere Pro, 16GB RAM minimum is recommended. So I mostly use this laptop for video editing, but I was using Filmora Pro earlier. Now I have started using Adobe Premiere Pro, and I was not sure if Adobe Premiere Pro will run smoothly on this laptop because it has only 8GB RAM and the NVIDIA graphic card MX250 does not support Studio Driver. And for Premiere Pro, it's always recommended, like I said, 16GB RAM minimum. But recently I've started using Premiere Pro on this laptop for video editing, and I'm happy that it's working better than I was expecting. But for video editing, a bigger screen is always better. So for those people who want to buy a laptop for video editing purpose only, I will not recommend this laptop. And the sixth question is about the battery backup. So to be very honest, Acer claims that it will give you a battery backup of 12 hours once fully charged, but you only get a maximum of 6 hours in any condition, and if you're lucky and not doing multitasking or playing any games, then you might get 7 hours of battery backup as well. So don't keep your expectation very high in terms of battery performance. The seventh most common question asked is how's the trackpad and the key travel of the keypad. So let me tell you, the touchpad is not that great like MacBook Pro, and it's glitchy sometimes, so that is something I feel could have been better. And the keypad is not that big because it's a 14-inch laptop, but there is adequate spacing between the keys, and once you get used to it, you will not face any issues. So overall, this laptop is very good when it comes to performance and value for money. Despite a few things missing in this laptop, and within 50k, the kind of specs you get with this premium looking aluminum body, this is a pretty good laptop. So these are the most common questions asked me about this laptop, and this was for honest opinion based on my user experience. And under 50k, the laptop is value for money. If you have more questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will answer your questions in the comments. And also, if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.